Hello, my name is Jesse Bowman and I'm the Electronic Research, Technology, and Instructional Services Librarian at the Northwestern Pritzker Legal Research Center. This past summer, I demonstrated Neota Logic at the Cool Tools session at the AALL Annual Conference in Chicago. I'd like to take a few minutes just to recap my presentation and show off what I think is a really neat tool. So according to its website, Neota Logic is a platform which enables professionals to rapidly automate their expertise, increasing productivity, improving client satisfaction, and creating new business opportunities. For those of us in the library and legal tech world, we can think of it as being similar to Kali's A2J author tool, which allows for the creation of guided question and answer sessions based on rules programmed into the back end. The end result is that a document or other guidance is delivered to the participant. From a technical standpoint, though, I think the main advantage is that Neota Logic applications are created using a visual drag and drop tool which requires no knowledge of coding. Let's look at an example. So Neota provides some examples on its websites, but additional examples are available by visiting the Neota Logic YouTube channel, then selecting the App Idea Gallery from the top banner. Here we see example applications organized by a variety of functions. So let's go down to the intake and assessment category. Within this section, let's look at the foreclosure screening app. This particular app was developed by Vanderbilt Law School for use by the Legal Aid Society of Middle Tennessee and the Cumberlands. As we can see, this app is intended to connect the Legal Aid Society with people facing possible foreclosure on their home. Let's run through and answer the questions here. So we'll keep all the defaults. We'll stay in Campbell County. Let's say that yes, we have a mortgage, and no, we don't have an attorney at this point. So let's say we haven't been evicted, but we did miss a payment, and let's say that it's been 3 payments. We've received a notice of foreclosure, and if we're not sure, we can look at the example here, and no, we've not been given a notice. Finally, let's say yes, we've communicated with our lender. Let's say we talked with our lender, but they weren't helpful and told us to talk with a lawyer. And finally, we've not submitted a loan modification request. So here we get a report based on our answers. We see that our situation is urgent and that the Legal Aid Society might be able to help us. In this case, we don't want them to contact us, but just want to generate a report of our session. So here it is, along with the option to download it in Word or PDF format. Now, there are many examples in Neota Logic collaborating with law firms to develop innovative solutions for clients. On the Neota Logic page, if we go to Industries, then Legal Services, then let's scroll down and select View Customer Success Stories. So here we can download a couple of interesting case studies. And this is an instance. There is one firm, Hush Blackwell. They developed an application to help colleges and universities comply with the Clery Act, which mandates maintenance and disclosure of campus crime statistics. For an annual subscription fee, institutions can gain access to the Clery Compliance Toolset, or CCT, which, according to the case study, uses best legal practices created by experienced attorneys to walk users step by step through the annual campus crime and safety reporting process. With this tool, institutions get the legal help they need without having to pay the hourly fees. So just to sum things up, let's go back to our front page here. So at the heart of a Neota Logic application is an advanced understanding of the legal rules governing a particular situation developed through effective legal research. In my opinion, this creates an exciting opportunity for law librarians to get involved with the development of applications, whether in the law firm, legal clinic, or classroom setting. So for more information, I'd recommend exploring the Neota Logic website or visiting the Neota Logic YouTube channel to watch one of the many available videos. Thanks so much, and don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions.